play with me. Y'all know I'm the okay. All that talking out your neck might just get your throat cut. This a Mack truck, not a black truck.
Hey guys, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at QueenCierra_slay. Follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing a wig installment video. So I'm going to be installing this wig from Lumiere Hair. I have a coupon code video across the screen right now. So Lumiere Hair, it came with a stocking cap. So if you want to do the ball cap method, you can, but I didn't. It came with an elastic band. I did not use it. It came with 4 combs in the wig, and it also came with that little note card. It tells you how to take care of the hair if you don't already know how to take care of your hair. Now, this is 180% density. This is a loose wave. It's a 360 wig, so you can do it in any hairstyle you want. I did not glue the back in this video, the back of my wig, but you can if you want to do a nice ponytail. It's 24 inches in natural black, but I did dye this hair using a watercolor method, jet black, because I like my hair jet black. I don't like that natural black. I like it jet black. Then I bleached the knots off camera. If you want me to show you how to bleach your knots and how to dye hair, let me know. And I did pluck this wig, the whole frontal, the 360 frontal. I did pluck her to the gods. So if you want a plucking video, let me know. And yeah, I just installed it. Everything I used will be in the description box below. And that's it. Just watch this video. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you babies in my next video.
It's quiet, ain't it? Let's go.
I used my makeup.